Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube English grammar class. In the last class, I taught you the grammar item, the gerund. I hope you understood well. Today, in this class, I would like to teach you about another grammar item, used to. We use used to say that somebody often did it in the past but no longer does it. We use to say that to talk about something that somebody did it regularly in the past but he does not do it anymore. He did it regularly, repeatedly in the past but he no longer do it now. I will give you a few examples in these sentences. How to use to. Look at the first sentence. I used to play a lot of cricket. I used to play a lot of cricket. It means I played cricket regularly in the past, but I do not play cricket any longer now. Next, move to the second sentence. We used to write letters each other. It means we wrote letters regularly. We often wrote letters in the past but no longer right now. Look at the third sentence. He used to bunk school. He used to bunk school, which means he bunked school regularly in the past but not now. Next sentence. She used to sell fruits. She used to sell fruits. She sold fruits for a while in the past, but she does not sell any fruits now. Next sentence. They used to do business. They did business in the past, but they don't do any business now. We also use used to for things that were true in the past but are not true any longer. The things which were true in the past are not true anymore. Look at these examples. I used to think he was a nice guy. I used to think he was a nice guy. Here, used to think describes I thought he was a nice guy, but that was not right. Next, move to the second sentence. She used to have very long hair. She used to have very long hair. In the past, she had long hair, but she doesn't have long hair anymore. These are the verbs of state, stative verbs, not verbs of action. We used to live next to them. We used to live next to them. In the past, for a while, we lived next to them, but we no longer live next to them now. Let us move to another sentence. He used to wish to become a policeman. In the past, he wished to become a policeman, but he no longer wishes to be a policeman now. The hospital used to be a school. The hospital used to be a school. The hospital, it was a school earlier for a while, but it is now the hospital. Used to is past. There is no present. You can't say I used to do something to talk about the present. Used to can be used to talk about the past but not the present. The negative form of used to is didn't used to. Let us see some examples. I didn't used to speak English. Earlier, I did not speak English, but now I am able to speak English. Let us move to the second sentence. We did not used to work Sundays. In the past, we did not work Sundays, but now we have to work even Sundays as well. Third sentence. She didn't used to travel a lot. She didn't used to travel a lot. In the past, she did not travel a lot, but now she travels a lot. He didn't used to smoke. In the past, he did not have the habit of smoking, but now he smokes. The last sentence. They did not used to wake up early. In the past, they did not wake up early, but now they wake up early. Let us know how to use used to in questions. How to make questions by using used to. Look at these examples. Did you used to play a lot of cricket? Here we should avoid D, the past form. We use in questions, we use the use, not used. Because here we use the past form of the question word did. That is why we do not use used to. Instead of used to, you have to use the use. Did you used to play a lot of cricket? Did you used to sit next to him in the class? Did you used to sit next to him in the class? Next sentence. Did I used to criticize you? Did I used to criticize you? Means, did it happen repeatedly in the past? Did it happen? I ask you, did it happen in the past regularly? Next sentence. Did we used to have parties? Did we used to have parties? I ask question about the past regular activity, the past action that happened regularly in the past for a while. In the last sentence, did they used to be friendly with you? While we are making questions using used to, we must watch out the did form and the use. We must be careful using did and used to. Don't use used to, because the question word is in the past itself. That is why we use the use, not used. Be or get used to doing something is different from used to. Let us see how it is. I wasn't used to waking up early. I wasn't used to waking up early. This means it was very strange and new for me. I wasn't used to waking up means waking up early was very strange and new for me. Let us move to the next sentence. I got used to waking up early. I got used to waking up early. This sentence means I became accustomed to waking up early. It was very strange for me or very new for me to wake up early. But gradually I got used to waking up early. I became accustomed to waking up early, and finally now I am used to waking up early. This sentence means it is not strange or new for me to waking up early because I have already accustomed to be waking up early. That's why I can say I am used to waking up early. Let us see some more examples. Look at these sentences. She wasn't used to driving a car. She wasn't used to driving a car. Here in this pattern, to is a preposition, so it is followed by infinitive. To is not an infinitive, it is a preposition. That is why it is followed by infinitive. She wasn't used to driving a car means it was very strange or new for her to drive a car. It was very new or strange for her to drive a car. Next sentence. She got used to driving a car. She got used to denotes that she gradually became accustomed to driving. She gradually was able to learn to drive a car. Now she is used to driving a car. This sentence denotes driving a car is not new or strange for her. She is now able to drive a car. That is why we can say she is used to driving a car means she knows how to drive a car. Let us see the difference between used to plus verb 1 and be used to in. She used to drive a car, which means in the past she drove a car regularly. She often drove a car in the past, but she no longer drives a car now. Here, she used to driving a car means it is not new. Driving a car is not strange or not new for her. She can drive. She is able to drive a car now.